Ugh, it hurts. Please call an ambulance for me. I think you need help. I need your help. Yes, exactly. Very good. This car is so nice. I will fix it soon. Okay, done. Thanks. See you next time. Let's go home.
Okay.
We can do it. Yeah. Are you ready? I am ready. Come on, let's go. Let's start.
Yarr!
It's over there.
What? Ouch!
Are you all right? Wow, that's great. It looks good. Oh no. What do we do now? Here I come. Something's wrong.
Hey!
Oh, don't worry, you got me. Oh my God! I'll help you. Stop them. Over here. It's not going well.
What the heck is going on?
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
Oh, great. Move out of the way! Move out of the way! Oh my God, what am I gonna do?
Uh-oh.
Huh?
Oh no.
Please call an ambulance for me.
Oh!
Ya! Ya!
Enough, let him go.
Oh.
Wow, awesome.
I need your help.
Hey buddy, what's going on? Let's go, let's go. Follow me.